Good morning, everybody. This is Sherman Ray, and this is Leadership in Action for a Saturday morning. We finally finished our long run this weekend. For those of you who have been keeping up with me, we've been working on training for the Las Vegas Marathon at the end of the year. It is now July, mid-July, and so we're way ahead of schedule. We did 16 miles this weekend, which means from my place, which is really close to the Rainbow, Washington area, all the way out to the south end of the valley, which is the 215, and then back. And so that's about 16 miles. Had a good time, and as you can see, folks, my shirt is about drenched. I purposely did not put any water on my head just to show you what my shirt looked like, and you can probably take a look at it now. I'll show you a little split view of it, of what my shirt looked like. I don't know if you can see the bottom of the shirt, but the bottom of the shirt is completely drenched. And as I walked in the door, my wife was kind of looking at me, and she says, "Is that all sweat on you?" And I said, "Well, yeah, it's all sweat, honey," and I purposely did not put water on me. It's been very humid here in Las Vegas, and so it was drenched. I was drenched from the time I was about midway through, and by the time I was done, it was just pouring. So you can see I'm still sweating. It's still extremely warm, and it's only 8 o'clock in the morning right now, Las Vegas time. Anyways, folks, just wanted to talk to you a little bit about our networking group. Diversity networking group met this week, and we went through, I think it was part 4 of our E3 training. E3 training, for those of you who don't know what that's all about, is all about equipping the business owners, and what I've done is I've worked up a great training session for our business owners. We'll be offering that as part of our package as far as the Success Coach program. So for those of you who would like to get in shape, you'd like to work on your leadership skills, we're really working to make that work for you. So we'll put some more advertisements throughout this short clip here, and tell you all about Success Coaching, and we're really excited about that. What I'd like to talk to you a little bit about today, before we leave, is about working with the willing, folks. Really important. I got in a major beef just yesterday with somebody who's very close to me, and one of the things that I guess that they did not understand is that if somebody is not willing to work with me, then I'm not going to waste much time with them. I'm really not. It's really important that you get that in your mind, folks. There's a big difference between mentoring somebody who is willing to work with you and willing to put in the time, and working with somebody or trying to work with somebody who you're going to have to struggle with all the time. And that's really important. If you have to struggle with somebody and trying to get things done, it makes it really hard for you at the end of the day to want to do that again the next day. So that's whether in mentoring somebody or that's in business. If you got a client that is just the worst client in the world, you're almost better off just cutting them loose, sending them to your competitor, and letting them deal with them, than you to have to go through weeks and weeks, if not months and months, of headaches with this person. So that's really important that you work with the willing. Work with people who are energized, people who are motivated, people who want to see a difference in their life and in their business. And I'll tell you, you'll be excited about going to work and excited about mentoring somebody. Hey, anyways, this has been Sherman Ray. This has been Leadership in Action. I hope you've enjoyed what you've heard there this morning. If you like it, just go to my website. We're changing our website a little bit, give it a little more content. It's www.shermanray.com, or you can go to redlettermedia.net, find out all about me. You can find out about Success Coaching, our E3 training, and all that other stuff. This has been Sherman Ray. We will see you next week when we're going. I think we're going for 18 miles next week. It should be exciting. Stay tuned. See us on Twitter and Facebook and all those other places. We will see you soon. Bye-bye.